So after knowing the real life application of linear equation, what did we understand? We understood that we need to get the value of x and y. Okay, because we can make the equations easily, but how do you solve this equation? Till the time you solve this equation, you can never reach on to your answer, right? Which is about finding the value of x and y to get the answer to a real life problem. So now we'll understand how to solve linear equation, and here comes your 4 methods. Okay, so these are your 4 methods. Eliminating by equating coefficients, method number 1, then elimination by substitution, then graphical method, and then there is Cramer's rule. Okay, these are the 4 methods by which you can solve a linear equation to get the value of variables. Once you get the value of variables, we had seen it in the previous problem, the real life problem can be solved. Okay, so that's what we are doing now, solving the linear equation. First method, by equating the coefficients. Okay, so I give you 2 linear equation now. X minus y is 7 and x plus y is 11, and I am asking you what will be the value of x and y. Okay, imagine you made this 2 equation from a plain problem, or the number of chocolates that are being distributed among students. Okay, you made this 2 equation from real life, but now you need to solve them to get the value of x and y. So what will I do here? I'll check the coefficient of x, it is 1, same. I'll check the coefficient of y, here it is -1 and here it is 1. So what will I do is eliminate what? One of the coefficient. I'll eliminate y from this. How can I eliminate y? What is the easiest way to eliminate y? Adding 1 and 2. Okay, if you add 1 and 2, what will happen here is, this will be plus y and minus y will get cancelled, and you will get here is x plus x is 2x and 11 plus 7 is 18. So x turns out to be as 9. Okay, simple as this. What did I do here? See, understand, this is how I am adding them. Okay, this is x minus y and this is just added with this. LHS is added with LHS, so x plus y, and RHS is added with RHS, so 11 plus 7, that is 18. That's why this 2 gets cancelled and I get the value of x. That's what you call as eliminating by equating the coefficient. By looking at the coefficient, I eliminate one of the variable, which is y. That's what you will always do. If you eliminate one variable, you will get the answer for the other variable. Once you get one of the variable, substitute in any one of the equation. So substituting x is equals to 9 in equation 2, what will happen? Y will be equal to now 11 minus 9, that will be equal to 2. Okay, that's how easily I can get the value of x and y. That's what we were looking for, right? With the real life problem, we were able to make the equation, but we were not able to solve the equation. Now this is the method. Okay, this is how you solve the equation to reach on to your answer. Let's try a few more equations now. So this is solving practice set 1.1, and this is the simultaneous equation that are being given to us. Okay, so imagine a problem was there, and from this you made this 2 equation. Okay, now it's all about how do you solve them. So I will check. What will I check? The coefficient of x and coefficient of y. I can see here the coefficient of y is same, 3 and then 3. Okay, and the sign is plus and then minus. So what will I do? I need to eliminate y. So adding 1 and 2. If I add 1 and 2, plus 3y minus 3y gets cancelled. That is what I wanted, to remove one variable, to eliminate a variable. So now I get 5x plus 2x, that is 7x. That is equals to 21. 12 plus 9. So x is equals to 21 upon 7, 3. Once you get x, substitute in any one of the equation. So if x is equals to 3, putting it in equation 1. So I get what? 3y is equals to 9 minus 15. Okay, so y is equals to minus 6. 3y is equals to minus 6. So y is equals to minus 6 upon 3, that is equals to minus 2. And I got the answer. 3 and then minus 2. So now we are learning how to eliminate by looking at the coefficient of one of the variables. Okay, either you eliminate an x or you eliminate an y, but make sure you get one of the variable here, answer for one of the variable. Once you get answer for one variable, substitute it in the other equation and get the other variable as well. Okay, let's try one more such problem now. So 3a plus 5b is 26 and a plus 5b is equals to 22. Okay, that is given to me here. So again I'll check it. The coefficient of b here is same 5. So can I eliminate b here? Yes. But is there a problem? If you just add 1 and 2 like we have did it in the earlier problem, it will be 10b. 10b is equals to 4a, right? 3a plus a. I am not eliminating a, I am not eliminating b. So what will I do here? I cannot add because both the sign are plus. So I will subtract. So what will I do here? Subtracting 1 from 2. A will not be eliminated because their coefficient is different. B will be eliminated. Their coefficient is same. Okay, but the sign here is different. Both are plus. So I cannot add. Because if I add, b will not be eliminated. My job is to eliminate b so that I can get a. So subtracting 2 from 1. So what will I do? 3a plus 5b is 26 and a plus 5b is 22. Subtracting 2 from 1. So all the signs will change. Now in case you are wondering how are the signs getting changed, see, this is how it is happening. This is 3a plus 5b and that is being subtracted from a plus 5b. Okay, and if you see it, this will LHS will subtract from LHS, this from this, RHS from RHS. 26 minus 22, 4. Now this minus sign goes inside, so this becomes minus a, this becomes minus 5b. Okay, that's why this becomes minus a, and that's why from this sign, and that's why this becomes minus 5b from this sign. So actually you are doing it in this way, but we are writing it in this way. Okay, so don't be confused. So 26 minus 22, this turns out to be as 4. Okay, because you have subtracted RHS from RHS. So that's what you get it here. Plus 5b minus 5b gets cancelled. So 3a minus a is 2a is equals to 4. If 2a is equals to 4, a is equals to 2. Okay, if a is equals to 2, substitute in any one of the equation. A is equals to 2. So I'll put it in equation number 2. So I get 5b is equals to 20. So b is equals to what? 4. Okay, and that's how simple it is to solve such equations. And I get the value of a and b. Okay, so imagine you made this equation by looking at some problem. Okay, now you need to get the value of a and b. So now you know how to solve the equation as well. A few more equations from practice set 1.1. Okay, so now I give you equation 2x minus 3y is equals to 9 and 2x plus y is equals to 13. Okay, so you will check first which coefficient is same. X coefficient is same, 2. So I will eliminate what? I will eliminate x. But there is a problem. What is the problem? Both of them have plus sign. Okay, if such thing happen, what do? We don't add, we subtract. Okay, so remember the rule. We first check which variable, कौन से वेरिएबल का कोएफिशिएंट सेम है. x as a variable has a coefficient that is same 2. So we will eliminate x and get the value of y. But the problem is both of them have plus sign, so we cannot add, you will subtract. So that's what I'll do, subtracting 2 from 1. Okay, because I have to eliminate x. X ka coefficient is same. Okay, so I will subtract this. So subtracting 2 from 1, what do I get? This is the first equation, this is the second equation. Okay, so all the signs will change. Plus will become minus, and this also plus will become minus. Okay, as I had told you earlier, what is happening here? Why is this minus coming? Because this is 2x minus 3y subtracted from 2x plus y. So this minus goes inside, so becomes minus 2x. This minus goes inside, so becomes minus y. And RHS is 9 minus 30. Okay, so what happens? X gets cancelled. That is what I wanted. X is eliminated now, so you get the answer for y. minus 3y minus y. Okay, minus 3y, this minus goes inside, so this is minus 3y and minus y, that is equals to minus 4y. That is equals to 9 minus 13. Okay, 9 minus 13 is minus 4. So y is equals to what? Minus 4 by minus 4, y is equals to 1. Substitute y is equals to 1 in any one of the two equation and get to the answer. So if y is equals to 1, we substitute in 2, you get 2x is equals to 13 minus 1, 12. So x is equals to what? 6. And I got my answer for x and y. That is what I wanted. Okay, so here what happened? I first do my simple check. Which variable has a coefficient same? That was x. Then can I add or can I subtract? If I add, I will not be able to eliminate x. Okay, because both the sign are plus. So I subtract. When I subtract, x gets eliminated. So I get the value of y. Once I get y, I can get x as well. Okay, simple method to solve such equation. Okay, let's try a few more now. So this is my next equation. 2x minus y is equals to 5 and 3x plus 2y is equals to 11. What do I always do? I check for coefficient. X ka coefficient I check, they are different. Here it is 2 and here it is 3. Y ka coefficient I will check. They are also different. Here it is minus 1 and here it is 2. Problem. Till now what was happening? We check the coefficient of x or y. Okay, whatever is same, we eliminate that variable. But यहाँ पे तो coefficient of x is also different, y is also different. So what will I do? I will make it equal. Equal है नहीं, right? But will make it equal. So अगर यहाँ पे 2 आ जाता है, my problem is solved. Right? If there is coefficient of y is 2, which you can say minus 2 after this sign, then my problem is solved. I'll just add 1 and 2 and the problem can easily be solved, right? So जब वो equal नहीं है, make it equal. Okay, so when it is not equal, make it equal. So multiplying equation 1 entirely by 2. That's what I will do. So I'm making it equal when it is not. Once I make it equal, then I can eliminate y. I'll get x. From x I'll get y. That's why you multiply. Okay, so what I'm doing here is multiplying 1 by 2. So this will become 2 into 2, 4x. This will become minus of 1 into y. This will become minus 2y. That's what I wanted. And this will become RHS 5 into 2, 10. Okay, now check this. This is 2y and this is 2y. That's what I wanted. So for the first time it was not same, so you make it same. Then you decide you want to add or subtract. Okay, you will add y because there is a minus and then there is a plus. If you add both of them, y will get eliminated. That's what I wanted. So y gets eliminated now. 4x plus 3x is equals to 7x, that is equals to 21. So x is equals to 3. If x is 3, substitute in any one of the equation. X as 3. I'll put it in equation 1. So if x is 3, this becomes 2 into 3, 6. 5 minus 6 will be minus 1. So minus y is equals to minus 1. So y is equals to 1 and I get the value of x and y. 3 and then minus 3 and then 1. Okay, so what happens? We always check the coefficient of one variable. We see if it is same. Then depending upon the sign, we add or subtract. Right, but here it was not same, so I made it same by multiplying by some number. Okay, that's how you can equate the coefficient even when they are not same. Let's try one more. So this is our next problem. 2x plus 3y is equals to 0 and 3x plus 4y is equals to 5. Check the coefficient of x, they are not same, 2 and then 3. Check the coefficient of y, they are not same, 3 and then 4. So again there is a problem. First I have to make the coefficient same, then I can add or subtract so that I eliminate one of the variables. So you can say, you can solve it in this way. If I make the coefficient of x as same, here you have a 3, here you have a 2. Okay, so if I multiply this by 3, this will become 3 into 2, 6x. If I multiply this by 2, okay, this will become 3 into 2, 6x. Got it? Both are same. So when they are not same, make it same. I made them same. Now I can simply subtract because both of them have plus sign, right? So if I add, x will not be eliminated. My job is to eliminate x. So I will not add, I will subtract them, and I can reach on to the answer. Some of you might say that I don't want to eliminate x, I want to eliminate y. Do that, no problem. This is 3, this is 4. So multiply this by 4. This will become not 3 here. Multiply this by 4. So this becomes 4 into 3, 12y. And multiply this by 3. 3 into 4. This also becomes 12y. Now you made the coefficient of y as same. Subtract because both are having plus sign. So either you make x as same or you make y as same. Doesn't matter. Okay, you will reach on to the answer. That's what you will do it here. So if they are not same, make them same. So that's what I am doing. Multiplying 1 by 3. I am making the x as same. So this becomes 6x plus 9y is equals to 0. 3 into 0 is 0. And multiplying 2 by 3. So that again the coefficient of x will be same. So I am making x as same. And this will be 3 into 3, 4. 3 into 2, sorry, 6x. And then 4 into 2, 8y. 5 into 2, 10. Now what? You made x as same. Both of them have plus sign. Okay, if you add, you will not be able to eliminate x. So subtract. Subtracting 4 from 3. So what will happen? All the sign will change. This is x. This is also x. What will happen? This will be minus. This will be minus. And this will also be minus now. So what is happening? Plus 6x minus 6x will get cancelled. Okay, all the sign will change here. In case you are wondering how is this happening, this is how, okay, 6x plus 9y, you are subtracting from 6x plus 8y. So this minus sign goes inside, that's why this minus 6x. This minus sign goes inside, that's why this minus 8y. Okay, and if you can see this gets cancelled, 9y minus 8y will be y. That's what you will get it here. And RHS will also be subtracted like this, 0 minus 10. 0 minus 10 is nothing but minus 10. So you get y as minus 10. Now put y as minus 10 in any one of the two equation. I'll put it in 1. So 2x plus 3y is equals to 0. Put y is equals to minus 10. So this becomes minus 30 is equals to 0. So 2x is equals to 30. So x becomes equal to 15. And that's how easily I can solve this. So if you solve a real life problem and you make two equations, you need to get the value of x and y so as to get the answer to the real life problem. This is how you can easily get on to your answer. So x is 15 and y is equals to minus 10 here. So what did we learn from this? How do we always solve them? By making the coefficient of one of the variable same. So in this case, both the coefficient of x and y were not same. So you make it same. You make one of the coefficient same, eliminate that variable, get the answer for other variable. Once you substitute the answer in the equation, you will get the other variable as well.